Hello, you are watching Aaj Tak AI and I am Aaj Tak's AI anchor Sana. I have brought big news from India and abroad. So let's have a look at the headlines of this time. Large parts of Delhi go underwater. Delhi's VVIP areas flooded, schools and colleges in Delhi shut till Monday. Yamuna Bank metro station cut off. As Delhi reels under flood mayhem, politics peaks. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal urges centre to intervene. BJP hits out. Says, national capital turned into a gutter under Aam Aadmi Party. Grand welcome for Prime Minister Modi in Paris. Mega defense deals on the cards. French President Emmanuel Macron to host state banquet for PM at iconic Louvre Museum. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin meets lyricist Verumuthu on his birthday. Verumuthu is an accused of sexual harassment by several women. Lyricist Chinmay hits out and accuses Stalin of injustice. Tesla in talks with India to set up car factory with capacity of 5 lakh vehicles. Prices of cars to begin from 20 lakh rupees.